This is PrepareBuddy's adaptive language proficiency test. And today it speaks German. Not a quick translation. Every question, every instruction, every piece of feedback, rebuilt natively in the target language. Here is the complete walkthrough. Question type by question type. It starts with a library of ready-made adaptive language proficiency tests, each one replicating the real exam's format and difficulty. An institution can browse and assign a fresh, exam-grade German test in seconds, without building anything from scratch. Launch any test, and the language choice sits right there at the start. German or English. Pick German, and everything downstream. Instructions, prompts, and feedback runs natively in that language. Not just the questions themselves. Reading opens fine-grained. Complete the missing letters in context, testing real spelling and vocabulary, not just recognition. Longer cloze passages follow next, with contextual blanks and drop-down choices built around natural German sentence structure. The listening section asks learners to type exactly what they hear, down to spelling and word boundaries. It repeats the format later in the test too, so PrepareBuddy can track whether comprehension holds steady as fatigue sets in. Other reading items test comprehension directly. Read a short passage, then identify its main idea from 4 native-level answer choices, each one plausible enough to actually test understanding. Interactive listening goes a step further. Hear a full spoken scenario, then answer follow-up questions pulled directly from what was said, matching how listening is actually tested on real German proficiency exams. Reading comprehension is tested from more than one angle too, like reading a longer passage about a mountain village, then choosing the title that best captures what it's actually about. Writing gives a real-world prompt, here, describing a weekend shopping trip and a monthly budget, under a strict timer, mirroring exactly how the pacing works on the actual exam. Speaking is fully interactive. Describe a photo on the spot, in German, with the clock running. Or interacting a simulation setting up. Every spoken answer is recorded and scored processes to a complete. The moment the test ends, learners get a CEFR band, here, A2, along with the full breakdown across reading, writing, listening, and speaking, so nobody has to guess where the points came from. PrepareBuddy tracks every attempt over time, so learners and institutions both see the trend line. A steady climb here over just a few tests, plus rank suggestions for exactly what to work on next. And none of it is a black box. Every single question can be reviewed on its own, with the correct answer and the reasoning behind the score laid out clearly, question by question. This is the same adaptive engine PrepareBuddy already runs in English, now proven in German, and ready to localize for whichever language your learners need next. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.